Hello and welcome to another one of our special how-to videos. Today we're looking at prime factorisation, which you may know as product of primes. Okay, and let's get started by working out what we need to know. Well, we need to know our prime numbers. So the most important thing is, if we haven't managed to remember them or kept them in our heads, is to perhaps write them out at the beginning when we're starting to do a question or a series of questions. So here we go. So we've got 2. Remember, 1 is not a prime number. So we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. The list goes on, of course, but you're not going to be able to write them all down. So let's start with a question. What number? Let's start with 28. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to come up with a prime number from our list, which we know is a factor of 28. So we're going to choose 2. So we know that 2 times by 14 gives us 28. Now 2 is a prime number, so we circle it. 14 is not a prime number, but we know again that 2 is a factor of 14. So 2 being a prime number, we circle, and of course 7 is in our list, so we circle that. That means that we have finished, because all our numbers are circled, so all we need to do is write out the circled numbers, and that gives us our product of primes. Let's try another one. 50. Now we're going to choose 5 this time, because the bigger the number you choose, the quicker you will get to your answer. So this time we've got 5 times 10. Now 10 isn't prime, but again it's a multiple of 5. And what do you notice? That's right, 5 times 2 makes 10, so we have another prime number, which means we've finished. So once again, the answer is all of the numbers that we've circled multiplied together. Okay, so do we want to take this further? Let's have a look at our answers. 2 times 2 times 7 can be written as 2 squared times 7, because 2 times 2 is the same as 2 squared. Likewise, 5 times 5 times 2 will be 2 times by 5 squared. Notice how we put the smaller number at the beginning. So there you go. That is how we do prime factorisation, or how you find the product of primes for any number.